Global death toll from COVID-19 is now past 500,000.
What can be especially difficult is to differentiate the flu from the symptoms of the common cold.
The number of infections has passed 10 million.
Dr. Anthony Fauci warning we are at risk of losing control.
In the beginning, sneezing and coughing were natural and human, but viruses and bacteria came and almost changed everything. Achoo has now become a sound associated with fear, insecurity, and anxiety. The pressure imposed on people and healthcare systems globally by the sound of coughs and sneezing is unimaginable. In the US alone, preliminary data showed an estimate of between 39 through 56 million flu illnesses, 18 through 26 million medical flu visits, and between 410,000 through 740,000 flu hospitalizations in the 2019 and 2020 flu analysis reports, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. What if we could provide a specific solution to contain the spread of infectious droplets that would have caused diseases? Just what if? That question has now been answered by the introduction of the Sneezebox, a patent-pending revolutionary sanitary ware designed to specifically contain respiratory droplets produced by people when they cough or sneeze. Sneezing and coughing should not be as suspicious as we now see all around. The Sneezebox is a careful invention that creates a safeguard for friends and family in private and public spaces. The Sneezebox is a round pole in a round hole solution that actively prevents the spread of respiratory infections such as flu, tuberculosis, coronavirus, and other influenza by providing an effective containment of potentially infectious droplets from being inhaled by other people or from falling on surfaces that other people may come in contact with. The Sneezebox is the most appropriate respiratory droplet containment sanitary ware, as opposed to the use of tissues and napkins, which is basically made for cleaning surfaces. It is light to carry, fanciful, and easy to use. These and many more compelling reasons validate our quest to have you support in getting the Sneezebox into the marketplace all over the world. As the first set of backers, you will be enjoying a discounted rate for sharing our vision and pre-ordering your Sneezebox packs for personal and public use in your spheres of influence or as a gift to the people or organizations. We are optimistic for your contribution and equally excited about your participation to bring the Sneezebox to life. The well-being of people and the safety of public spaces, transportation systems, organizations, and homes will be grateful to you for your action on this product, even as the Sneezebox restores our humanity and gives us the comfort of being normal again, irrespective of location.